Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zendesk chat widget for customer support step by step clearly. To set up the Zendesk chat widget for your customer support, begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Channels section in the left-hand menu. Click on Web Chat to access the chat settings. Ensure that the chat option is enabled. If not, toggle the switch to activate the chat feature. Next, customize your chat widget's appearance. Choose your preferred color scheme to match your brand. You can select font styles and sizes for better visibility. Add your support team's greeting message in the designated text box. This greeting sets the tone for customer interactions. Proceed to define your chat widget's behavior settings. Decide how long the widget should display before it automatically opens. Set up the proactive chat invitations to engage users effectively. You can determine when to send these invitations based on time spent on the page. Now, head to the Settings tab to configure your chat routing options. Here, you can assign chats to specific agents or groups. Also, set the availability hours for your customer support team. Adjust your chat settings according to your operational hours. Once your settings are complete, it's time to install the widget on your website. Copy the provided JavaScript code from the installation section. Then, access the HTML code of your website. Paste the JavaScript code just before the closing /body tag. Save the changes to your website code. To see the widget in action, open your website in a new browser tab. Test the chat widget by initiating a conversation. Check if messages are received in your Zendesk dashboard. Finally, monitor chat interactions and analyze analytics to improve customer support. Your Zendesk chat widget is now successfully set up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.